It's car meat night. It's wicked. Yeah, we're eating Taco Bell, and then we're gonna go watch Fancy Cars. And they're already being loud as heck.
Right on cue.
It's loud as fuck. Want to walk around and show off the cars? Hey, look, it's a G8.
Yeah, that's what I said. We got the Colin situation.
Yeah. You would think people at a car meet, they know how to drive down the fucking right direction. But I don't know. Still awesome. Let's walk around. Look at the cars.
All I drink is Bombay, every day, blocking out what haters say. Getting faded, so cliche, all our shit is on display. Take me somewhere far away, think I'll be a star one day. Sitting up in outer space, I'm sipping on some Chardonnay. Looking for a better place, looking for a better phrase. What's that shit that Guetta says? Anyways, wonder if I'll ever taste all the glory and the fame. Feels like a forever chase, just trying to make a name. Hey, staying back, I attack and smack, yeah, I'll knock you out. Talking smack while I stack, that's a fact, I'm rocking out. If you're asking, I'm bragging about how I'm maxing out. We never lack, stay on track, you know we ain't backing down. I'm on my highs now, better look.
Oh, look at this cool Monte Carlo. Look at those dope ass white tire letters. Shopper's World. So what are we shopping for today, Trevor? We're shopping for that.
We're shopping for anything here. Even if it has, scratches outside of it like that. Might be Zach.
What up?
That might be Zach.
Oh.
Super.
Oh, I see it. The legendary. Oh. I think I hear a cam.
I'm too gone today. Don't care at all what the haters say. Nah, I had too much, man, to feel okay. Another bar rip, another day. Right? Don't feel control, man, I feel insane. What? This state of mind, man, I can't explain. Nah, all these memories I can't retain. Damn, I think I lost sales in my brain.
Everyone go to CC's. It's like my favorite restaurant. Cheap ass pizza buffets. It's a good place. I know where the G8 went. So it went next to the other G8.
Not gonna lie, I thought that was the door.
Oh damn, look at that fucking car, man. Oh, that's fucking sick.
Wicked.
Fucking wicked, man.
You can't touch that.
That's wicked. Fucking wicked.
Oh, it's the brother.
I could be doing that. With my
Where you go? You disappeared. What the fuck is going on?
I thought he pulled it was soon.
It's a rev war. Oh man. Wicked! We're missing the burnout.
That's where we're going.
Said that.
You comfortable yet?
Yeah.
Someone's toe touched my butt.
Yeah, I feel that.
Yeah.
Jesus. It's the police. He's getting the fuck out of here. We're getting the fuck out of here. Everyone's getting the fuck out of here. Everyone head home. Have a good night. He's a nice cop. He said have a good night.
Yeah. Oh, and that's part next year.
Oh, wicked.
A fake fucking G8. There's gonna be a madhouse leaving. This cop's-
I know. It's fucking great. That is
You know, it would have been this loud. The cop didn't show up.
I know. Really counterproductive. Wicked Saturday.
Where you just say fuck it?
He's fucking loud.
I like your dog!
Let's go.